Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Toolbox in Roblox Studio. The Toolbox is where you can find all sorts of different tools for game development. So there's models, plugins, audios, videos, etc. So what you're going to do is, of course, load Roblox Studio and open the world that you want to use. And go over to the toolbox on the left-hand side, and if you can't find it, all you have to do is go up to the top and click View, and select Toolbox, and that should help it appear. So if you can't find it, that is where you would go to open it. So if you're looking for a model, select Model, and let's say you're looking for a tree. Go ahead and let's just click the first tree here, and now you have a tree in your game. So let's pretend that you scrolled for a while trying to find this tree and it's the perfect tree and you don't want to lose it for any future games. All you have to do is click on this little plus button and it will show you the overall view for it. You can either add it to your favorites or you can click the three dots in the lower left and click View in Browser, and that will open your browser. So this will open the overall page for the model, and you can click Get Model over here, and it now has been added to your inventory, so you will be able to use it again if you just click this section here, that's your inventory. And the first option is My Models, and as you can see, the tree is also now in our models, so we'll be able to use it whenever we want. You can also access different plugins, so a plugin essentially is like a tool that helps you do something. It will overall just like enhance your game in one way or another, depending on whatever the plugin is. So if you want a day and night cycle, you can go ahead and select that, and you can click buy for free and it will install and it will say installation complete. You click OK, and all you do is exit out of this, go back over to your toolbox and go to my plugins, and it is saved here. You can also search for audio, images, meshes, videos, and fonts, and all of which you can save in the exact same way that I just showed you. And if you want to search for more models, you can look under categories and it will show you a bunch of different items. If you want to look at anything that you have recently used, any recent models, you would go here and click recent, whatever it is you're searching for. And if you have any creations that you yourself have made, you would access that here. It doesn't matter if you have deleted it from your inventory or not. If you have created the model or audio or something in general, it will appear regardless of whether or not you have deleted it from your inventory or not. And yeah, that is how you can use the toolbox in Roblox Studio. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!